What's up guys, welcome to a new YouTube video. In today's video, we are going over how to make the perfect dropshipping store to make sure your brand actually stands out and doesn't look like a complete scam. I see a lot of internet gurus online giving out advice on how to actually succeed, but a lot of them actually haven't made money. So here's a quick example of one of my stores that actually ran up. This is living proof that I actually know what I'm talking about. This is actually one of the brands I ran up in the last 90 days from April 13th to July 13th. I did almost $1 million in revenue, but I actually had to shut down this brand because of legal issues. But I'll be uploading a full case study on this YouTube channel, giving away even the product, the store, the offer, everything I did, even the ads. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, I'll release it on this YouTube channel. So press that subscribe button if you haven't already. So I'll be showing you how to make $1 million Shopify store from scratch, but first let's take a look at a couple good examples. So a great example of a high converting store is actually Bleem.com. Now if you don't know what this product is, it's a crystal hair eraser. It actually did very well not long ago. Like it says in the product name, it is a hair eraser. You basically erase your hair off. Starting at the top with our header, it actually says save up to 48% off and it ends in about 2 hours. This is actually more important than you think because when a customer sees that the sale expires in 2 hours, this is basically their last chance to get 48% off. Combined with more social proof below saying there's more than 180 happy customers. Moving on to the product images, they are looking very branded. As you guys can see, they have a limited time offer to get a free Gleam body scrub and it offer ends today, so even more scarcity. On the next slide, they talk about all the benefits and basically where you can use it. So very good stuff here. And then after that, it's just pure before and afters because at the end of the day, people don't care about the features, people don't care about how big the product is. All they care about is what the product can do for them. Looking at all the product images, they have tons and tons of before and after photos and more social proof here by people posting them on their story. More social proof, more reviews. So very branded looking product images and a lot of before and afters, which is great. And at the top it says excellent 4.8 stars for 1,300 people reviews. So the product images are spot on and very good. Moving on to the actual text. Starting at the top, they're saying that has a 4.8 rating from 1,400 customers. Then they have more social proof under the product name saying new 2024 rated hair removal innovation. Under that is their offer. Now they did brand this product. It was previously a dropshipping store, but now they have like warehouses and stuff with the product. They decided to up the product cost and slim down on the offer because when you're scaling with a really aggressive offer like 70% off, it's kind of hard to maintain that. So they did dim that down to only 40%, but that's still fine. It is a quality product. Moving on to the benefits, as you guys can see here, they have plenty. And this is kind of the angle they're going for. Shave armpits, legs, face, and bikini area without painful waxing or razor cuts ever again. It's hitting on all the customer pain points and giving them a perfect solution. It's basically hitting on everything the customer wants, so there's no reason the customer would not buy this product. Moving on to the offer. Now you see that the 2-pack is already pre-selected because most people are just gonna press the claim offer button. Now starting with the 1-pack, it is only save $18 and it's 38% off. So off the bat, it's already dimmed down from the 2-pack. Now they do only have the 1-pack in here just in case people really don't want 2, but they're trying to sway away as many people as possible to go to the 2-pack. And for the 2-pack, it is 48% off and it includes free shipping and a free body scrub for silky and shiny skin. So in the customer's eyes, they're seeing these two different offers and they're thinking to themselves, oh, the 2-pack is an extra 10% off and includes free shipping and a free body scrub. Why wouldn't I buy this? And that means the Bleem store made an extra $20 on this order. Odds are people are gonna go for this specific offer since it's already pre-selected, it's extra 10% off and free shipping and free body scrub. Why wouldn't they go for it? At the end of the day, the customer's getting more items and Bleem's making more money. Moving down from the offer, which is actually spot on, we have some trust icons down here saying free shipping from US and a 30-day guarantee. So just at the top of the product page, if you order within 2 hours, you get it in 2 days and you get to save up to 40% off as it says on the top, as well as you get all these benefits over here. And if you get the 2-pack, you save an extra 10% off, which gets you free shipping and a free body scrub. This is damn near manipulation to get your customer to purchase the product. All these small little factors over here is piling up on top of the customer and they're almost nearly forced to buy the product. From there we have the FAQ page. They have where I can use Bleem, how does it work, does friction cause darkness, does it help against strawberry skins and bumps. They put any quick questions the customer may have before even purchasing the product. And I usually put this on the bottom, but since they don't want people scrolling to the bottom of the page, they'd rather just put it up there, which is completely fine. Scrolling down from the FAQ, it does have more social proof, saying, look at how others are loving their Bleem, almost giving the customer FOMO because all these people are enjoying the product so much. We do have this little section where they can see where they can use the product. As you guys can see, it says bikini, and then their legs, arms, and then their back. And it shows different videos of them using the product. Now this only works for specific products that aren't self-explanatory, but this does help a lot. You can also put this in the FAQ page, basically saying where you can use the product. Scrolling down from that is more before and afters. As you guys can see here, it's a before and after slider. Scrolling down from there is more social proof. On the left hand side, it's videos that you can actually play. It's a whole video slider with a bunch of different videos. And then on the right side is actually like a testimonial type thing. And in the customer's mind, if they are struggling with strawberry legs, and 95% of people are saying that it improved, they're obviously gonna think that it's gonna improve their strawberry legs too, and they're gonna press this claim offer button on the bottom. If you guys haven't noticed already, they're basically repackaging social proof and before and afters. They have before and afters over here. They have more social proof, before and afters. This is just saying how they could use a product, and then more social proof on the top, as well as before and afters on the product images. And throughout this whole customer experience, they have the sticky cart on the bottom, restating that they have a 4.8 rating, and if they order it today, they could get it in the next 2 days. From the testimonial section, they have a section down below which says why they should get Bleem, not other treatments. They made it in a way that Bleem is basically better than any other treatment, saying it's painless, reusable, easy to use, eco-friendly, and doesn't cost a lot of money. From that little section, they have their 30-day guarantee, which is pretty standard, and then the reviews on the bottom. As you guys saw throughout the product page, they're repackaging before and afters in different social proof. This is a really high converting store. Bleem has done over $10 million in revenue, so they know what they're doing. We're just gonna have to recreate this. The first thing we're gonna do is head over to Shopify's $1 a month plan. I put the link down in the description for you guys, but once we set up our new Shopify account, we're gonna come up with our product, our name, and logo. For this store build, we are gonna use this pre-built theme that I've made for you guys. It's called Ecom Club. That is my Discord server. This theme is completely free. I put a link down below in the description, and go install that after you watch this video. So inside the theme editor, I'm gonna kind of go over the whole site structure and how you should be doing it. In the theme editor, as you guys can see, it does look pretty bland, but we're gonna be filling this all out. I did put a random product here. It's a turmeric face wash. I did put my logo on it. As you guys can see, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that as well. For your store name, it could literally be anything. On the top of my head, I literally thought this store named Glamour, so I decided to do that. On the top left, it does say Glamour Test, and that is the default logo. So let's go make a logo real quick. To make your logo, I use canva.com. It's super easy to use. All you do is head over to text and then press heading. Drag the heading in and make it a little bigger, then put in your brand name. What you're gonna do is scroll through all these fonts and pick out a good one that fits with your name. For this specific example, I decided to do Poppins and then semi-bold. Now this logo is pretty simple, but it looks clean and branded, so I'm gonna keep it at that. So once you made and downloaded your logo, it's pretty simple stuff. You're just gonna throw it in here and then you should be good to go. But how do you put your logo on the product that you're actually selling to make it even look more branded? So you're gonna head back into Canva and throw your image in. What we're gonna do now is press edit image and then magic eraser. All we're gonna do is erase this logo out of here, and take a look at this. Just press erase and watch the magic happen. Just like that, the logo is gone, and now you can replace it with yours. There you go. Now your product images are branded looking, and now it has your own logo on it. So after throwing this into mobile view, as you guys can see on the very top, it says sale ends tonight, celebrating 25,000 plus happy customers. Adding that scarcity, basically saying that if you don't get the product today, they're gonna miss out on the sale, as well as saying that other 25,000 people bought the product, so adding that social proof. Moving down, it says 30-day money back guarantee and then fast returns. Pretty simple stuff. Heading down, you wanna put your main marketing angle here. So for example, Bleem again, it says shave armpits, legs, face, and bikini area without painful waxing or razor cuts ever again. And then below it says the benefits. So back to Bleem, it says perfect bikini area, enjoy silky smooth skin, stuff like that. You don't want to be putting features here, you want to put benefits. After that, you have the add to cart button and then some more trust icons. If you don't have free shipping, you can change that to fast shipping, but this is pretty simple stuff here. Heading down, you want to put your before and after pictures here, but if you have a product that doesn't need that, you can just remove it. All you got to do here, as you guys can see on the custom liquid, you just have to change this kind of link over here to the picture you have. To actually change the photos inside this before and after slider, you want to head over to content and files, upload any pictures you want to add to this before and after, and then press copy link. Then head over to the right side where it says custom liquid, and then find where it has this link, and then you want to replace it with the, keep the question mark, but you want to replace it. This is going to be the before section, and then after that This is going to be the side for the before, and then when you scroll down more, it's going to have the section for the after, as you guys can see over here. After that, we have this section where you can add a GIF or like a before and after image. You want to put an engaging hook or statement, and then over here down below, you want to replace this with your store and product name or a new benefit. After that little section, talk about why people want to buy your product. Basically putting different icons over here and a 1-sentence explanation. And then over here in this section, you want to add another image and then talk about the benefit number 2 from up here. Quick 1 to 3 sentence explanation here, and then you have the money back guarantee. Just replace your store name and product name. After the money back guarantee, you have the frequently asked questions, the FAQ page. You can add a couple questions such as how long is your shipping, how to get in contact, and then a couple general questions about your product. For these collapsible rows, we do have pre-written stuff over here, but for the general questions, we do not. After that, we have this quick little thing that if they have questions, they can contact us, and then the policy down below, and then the email sign up. Pretty simple stuff, and throughout this process, we do have the add to cart button. I'll show you guys how to do that soon. But let me build out this product page real quick, and I'll be back in just a second. Alright guys, so this is the final product page that I have. As you guys can see on the top, it says sale ends tonight, celebrating 25,000 plus happy customers. This whole theme that I made for you guys is completely plug and play. So all you gotta do is basically change a couple things. Starting off with the product image, it is pretty branded looking with your logo on it, and a pretty branded looking image. It's not from AliExpress. Moving down, we have the 30-day money back guarantee with fast returns, and then the product name, the Glamour Turmeric Face Wash. After that, we have the product pricing, which is $9.99 compared to $30. Going down, we do have the marketing angle that I put down, which is unlock the secret to radiant, even toned skin. Then to the benefits, it does say enjoy silky smooth skin, eliminate ingrown hairs, and then pain-free, gentle, and safe. From there, we have the add to cart button and then the trust icons. This is a beauty product, so before and afters do work well, and that's exactly what I did here. After that, I decided to use a GIF. I basically took a video off TikTok and used GIF Maker. I know it's pretty bad quality, but when you publish a site, it should be fine. From there, we have 4.9 out of 5 stars, and it says leave your skin glowing, and then introducing the Glamour Turmeric Face Wash, restating the benefits. After that, we do have another before and after photo. It says silky smooth skin within weeks, expertly formulated to target hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and uneven skin tone, revealing a luminous complexion with every use. So really good copy right there, kind of hitting on the customer's pain point. After that, we have the 30-day money back guarantee. All you really have to do here is replace the store name and the product name. After that, we do have the FAQ page, which includes ingredients that I put down, and then kind of how long is the shipping, and then how can I get in contact. You can put more FAQ questions, but for this specific product, people always need to know the ingredients. After that, we have the Got Questions tab and then all the reviews. So we have a really good layout with a bunch of reviews and social proof. For a specific product, people only really want to know how it would affect them. So that's why I really hit on the before and afters. I didn't use every section in the theme editor, and that's completely fine. For the couple sections I did decide to use, I hit on every single pain point and all the before and afters. You may be asking yourself, how the hell do you add reviews on the bottom of the page as well as the sticky card on the bottom? I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now. For the sticky cart, I decided to use Uplinkly Sticky Cart. It's super easy to use, and I believe it's free. Heading into the app itself, it's super self-explanatory and really simple. You basically add your background color and change the fonts a little bit, and then you should be good to go. For the reviews app, I decided to use Looks Reviews. It's really easy to set up and add reviews. Looks Reviews does include a 14-day trial, I believe so, but if you don't want to use that, you still could use Trust Do Reviews as well as Wise Reviews. So definitely get yourself a reviews app and add that to the bottom of your product page. Moving on to the cart, our theme does actually have a custom cart. It is a slider, and it does say on the bottom, try 100% risk-free today to free returns. It is a pretty basic cart, but it does convert well. But if you do want to add any upsells or anything, you do want to install UpCart. UpCart's super easy to set up. You can add upsells inside the cart as well as shipping protection, which is super easy to do. But I only recommend you add this app while scaling, not during testing. A couple more apps that I want to go over that literally no one talks about is backend flows. What backend flows are is taking abandoned customers that didn't purchase your product and sending them emails and SMS messages. This is really good because it can increase your overall conversion rate a lot, and if you never sent these messages over, you wouldn't even have the chance to convert this customer. So what I use for SMS abandoned customers cart recovery is SMS Go. Looking inside the app, it's super easy to use and they actually give you $1 balance to start out with. They also give you 2 different flows that you can use for yourself, and these are actually pretty good. And moving on to the email abandoned cart flows, I actually recommend you guys to use the email app in Shopify. You should already have this installed. Heading into the actual email, as you guys can see, it's extremely unbranded and it doesn't even have your logo on it. What you're gonna do is press the edit email button and add your logo and change the text a little bit. This is gonna give you more sales on the back end. Actually, on one of my brands, the email and SMS flows have actually gave me a couple thousand orders, so it's extremely beneficial. And if you want the full list of flows for SMS and email, it's inside our server ecom club. It's also gonna be linked in the description. So if you guys found this video at least a little bit helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any more questions. And if you haven't heard already, I have a premium ecom community in the description where you get taught by people like me that have done multiple 7 figures in revenue just this year alone. So if you're interested in getting personal advice and mentorship from other 7-figure ecom guys like me, and if you aren't ready to join the premium yet, we have plenty of free channels and resources down in that server, so go check it out. And thank you guys for watching so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.